Good luck. Good luck.
Every day I keep washing plates, mopping the house, washing toilets.
What are you doing there?
Uncle, you know I'm a dryer.
Wash the plate.
No.
So I wash the plate. After washing the plate, you wash the pot. After washing the pot, you sweep the house. After sweeping the house, you mop the house. After mopping the house, you read your book for 5 good hours. Are you hearing me? Go inside and wash it.
One day I decided to leave the house for him. Uncle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
This one you're carrying back, like, where are you going to?
Uncle, me, I'm tired of staying in this house. I'm tired of staying in this house. Every day someone will be washing clothes, washing plate, mopping the house, washing toilet. I'm tired. I want to go and hustle on my own. I want to make money for myself. I want to be a man. And no one can stop me not to go. I'm tired. So I went to an uncompleted building to stay, and I was feeling hungry. At this time, I was hungry and there was no food for me to eat. So I decided to go back to my uncle. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Uncle, I'm back to stay. Uncle, I'm ready to wash the toilet, wash the plate, mop the house, wash the house. In fact, I'm going to be washing your neighbor's house. I'm going to be mopping it. The house will be shining.
Wait. Who are you?
Uncle, it's me, Good Luck.
Who is Good Luck? I don't know any Good Luck.
It's me, Good Luck, your nephew.
You're not my nephew, I don't know you. I'm not your uncle.
Uncle, please now.
I lost all my memories. Are you hearing me? I'm not your uncle, so go and look for your uncle.
Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video. Please subscribe, like and share. Share with your friends, so don't be stingy. Share and subscribe. Please.
Wait,
See you next Friday.
I have an announcement for you. The Miss Unified Diva Nigeria 2018 is coming up. The theme is True Beauty with Brains. I hear me? True Beauty with Brains. The registration starts on April 1st and it has already started. Understand?
And the form is what? 5,000 naira cash.
Yes. Only. So if you know you have what it takes to win this beauty pageant, are you hearing me?
Can make guy
and pick the form. Just pick the form. Are you hearing me? And you stand a chance of winning different prizes. Like a trip to South Africa, 500,000 naira cash, wardrobe allowances, and contracts with beauty homes. Please, if you know we have what it takes, call the numbers on the description of this video. See you next time. Peace up.